Hayibo guys, sisabukela iChiefs noma sibukela enye team esingayazi. 4 games, 4 wins, 4 clean sheets, 4 goals. Peterson ulokhe Mr Clean Sheet ulokhe kuye nama clean sheets. Ama saves awenzile namhlanje. Ama saves khona ama save ayi2 awenzile namhlanje. Ulokhe emtshengisa umkhulu kancane ukuthi ngikhona. Hayi futhi nangabizwa ku national team angazi shem. Hayi angazi. Now sibhekile olilebo bakora ama goal of the season. Busy ku Chiefs kwenzakalani ku Chiefs kwenzakalani? Hayi akusi Chiefs le. And yazi ingichaza ngani ne? Ikora igoli elilodwa. Uyitshela ukuthi uzokhava lelo goal lelo yilo iwin yabo angeke ukhave. Ivele ikora ligoli elilodwa uyitshela ukuthi hayi ngiyabuya ngizokhava ngeke qedile. Ngoba hayi goalkeeper kona futhi unzima shomo make sure. Bamthembise maybe uPeterson khona into abamthembise yona lapha ku Chiefs esingayazi. Khona into afumbathiswe yona special. Ayibo, iChiefs le.